Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by picking a precise entry path: support, junior dev, cloud, or data, because focus speeds progress. Get the essentials: Linux basics, Git, SQL, and a scripting language. These are your tools. Once chosen, create a 30-90-day plan with daily 1-2 hour blocks, build one small project, and target one certification or course. This immediate, practical start teaches you how systems work, creates demonstrable results, and prevents endless vague learning that stalls momentum. Once you have basics, turn them into tangible proof. Build repositories showing each skill with clear README and simple tests so reviewers see what you did and why. Make networking a habit. Schedule 2 informational chats weekly and contribute to an open source issue to gain feedback. Meanwhile, rehearse interviews with 10 common problems and do mock sessions. Tailor your resume to each role, highlighting the specific projects and technologies used. This combination of portfolio, contacts, and interview practice bridges the gap between learning and hiring. Now focus on getting interviews. Apply to 10 targeted roles each week, customizing your resume and cover note for each posting to match keywords and needs. Make a polite follow-up after 7 to 10 days. Persistence paired with clarity wins attention. If rejections happen, ask for feedback and iterate. Improve a demo, add tests, or refocus on adjacent roles. If you get stuck, pivot. Lower bar roles, contract gigs, or apprenticeships teach quickly. This final push converts skills into an offer when you refine and persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.